What is magnetic inclination? Magnetic inclination, also known as magnetic dip, is the angle between the Earth's magnetic field and the surface of the Earth. It is the measure of the deviation of the magnetic field vector from the vertical plane and is expressed in degrees. The inclination of the Earth's magnetic field ranges from plus 90 degrees vertical at the magnetic poles to 0 degrees horizontal at the magnetic equator. The magnetic inclination is important for navigation as it affects the reading of a compass. A compass measures the direction of the horizontal component of the Earth's magnetic field, which is why the inclination must be taken into account when determining the direction of true north. The magnetic inclination also varies with location and therefore must be considered when making magnetic surveys or mapping the Earth's magnetic field.